When I would go to bed at night, I would have to take pain medicine because my legs would throb so terribly from being on them. Sitting down and getting up was a very difficult thing to do. So I would try really hard just to keep moving. My husband had had a knee surgery done with Dr. McKenzie, and I just felt that that was my best option. I just made an appointment with Dr. McKenzie. I had surgery on a Monday, and I already went to therapy on Thursday and Friday, and it was amazing. I was totally shocked at how different I felt. My life was totally changed. I tell you, I feel like a new woman. I'm back to work. I can move. I don't have the pain I had. I just am so pleased with Dr. McKenzie and his team and everybody that worked with me. It was just the best experience ever.